I'm Kyler, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install a brine mixer on your LiquidRage. So right here I have an older model used LiquidRage, so it's not as clean as what you might be working with. So generally, if you do not already have the brine mixer, you're going to have a lid here. So you're going to start by removing that. So that's just 6 Phillips screws. You take the lid off and you remove the 6 screws, then it pops right off. So that's already done on this one. Now the first thing that we're gonna do is remove this hose and this elbow. So this valve section might look a little bit different than yours. The reason that we have these 2 valves is because we also have a hose reel kit. So that just might look different. It doesn't affect any of this at all. Now, with the elbow removed, we're gonna drill a 1 3/8 hole out of this. Then we're gonna put this flange in. It's gonna have an O-ring here, and we're gonna wanna put this on the outside. So you reach in, stick this through the hole, put your O-ring on, then tighten it down. The next thing that we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and put our tank on. So this is the tank assembly. It'll come with your valve assembly, your screws, your gasket, and then the tank. So we're gonna start by just putting the gasket up around the lid here. Then we'll put the tank on. This elbow will be facing the front. So there's 6 holes inside of here. Then we're just going to take the drill with the Phillips 2 and then drive a screw through every one of the holes. Okay, now that's on. Now we're gonna screw our valve in. Then you'll run this hose onto this elbow. Tighten down the hose clamp. So you want to make sure that this part of the valve is facing outwards. So we'll rotate all this like that. Then you're going to reuse this hose, so we're going to want to point this elbow back to the valve. Then you'll put your original hose back on. Then you're going to tighten your clamps. And like that, you're done. So now, with this valve here, this will turn on and off your agitation system inside of this tank. So when you have the pump just running, agitating whatever you have inside of here, if you turn this valve pointing up, it'll send the fluid through this line and then through the holes in here that will agitate and mix up the brine that's inside of it. If you don't want to do that and you just want to mix in the tank itself, you turn the valve this way and it'll just push water back down through here.